In primetime news this evening, mask mandate coming back. Prime Minister makes declaration as daily COVID case count rise again. Reggae Sumfest 2022 launched. But what of COVID threat? And Health Minister takes Jamaica's nurse migration challenge to Commonwealth Health Ministers meeting in London.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also in this evening's newscast, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before all that, here's our feedback question. This evening we want to know, how do you protect yourself from getting COVID-19 when in large gatherings? You can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.